Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. So first of all, very congratulations to all of you for being promoted to class 7 and a very best of luck for your new session. Today we are going to read the topic Geography of the Muslim World, which is the first chapter of geography portion. So I am going to read it for you. The Muslim World. Islam is the second largest religion and the fastest growing one in the world. The graph below shows the estimated number of the followers of the four main religions in the world. So Islam is on the number 2. As you can see, the Buddhist, that is 7%, Hindu 15%, Muslims 25%, Christians 31%, and others are 26%. For this book, we will take the Muslim world to mean those countries whose governments have declared that they are Islamic states. For example, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and those countries where the majority of the population is Muslims. In this chapter, all the discussion is made about those countries which are declared as the Islamic states or where the majority of population are Muslims. There are about 50 countries which can be considered Muslim majority countries. Aside from these, there are Muslims residing in many countries around the world, and so the Muslim world cannot be geographically quantifiable. These diverse countries across the world are bound together by the faith in Islam, Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Khatam an-Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the Quran. In the UK 2001 census, Christianity was claimed by 72% of the population, Islam by 2.8%, and Hinduism by 1%. Regular attendance at a place of worship, however, was given for Christians at only 5%. Though no figures were found for Islam, they are expected to be much higher. There are no Islamic states in Australasia, Oceania, and Americas and as stated in the text, there is only the tiny Albania in Europe. Albania is the last remnant of the old Ottoman Empire and was cut off when that collapsed. Physical features. As you can see from the map on page number 2, most of Muslim countries are located on level land. The main mountains are the Atlas Range in North Africa, the highlands of Ethiopia, Yemen, and the southern end of Saudi Arabia, eastern Turkey, and much of Iran. The highest regions of all are Afghanistan and the Hindu Kush and Karakoram mountains of Pakistan. However, few people live in these mountainous regions. The next map shows that the much of the Muslim world, except for Malaysia, Indonesia, and some of parts of Africa, has very little natural vegetation. More than half of the whole area is hot desert, temperate desert, semi-desert, and scrub. Look at this map. As you can see, all the Muslim countries are colored green, and there is Saudi Arabia located in the center of the all Muslim countries. Here is Pakistan, here is Saudi Arabia, and the rest of all the Muslim countries that exist in this world. And the second map, look at this. The second map shows much of the Islamic world is flat land but not at sea level. The highest land is in Afghanistan. Where it is in Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Iran. Much of the Islamic world, particularly North Africa and Arabia, is relatively infertile, but Southeast Asia and the parts of Africa are relatively rich agriculturally. There are isolated places of great fertility such as the river valleys and irrigated areas, although these are gradually dwindling. Look at this. In these desert areas, apart from a few oases, little or nothing grows except very tough plants which can survive in such harsh conditions. These can provide food only for the hardier sheep and goats, usually kept by the nomadic or semi-nomadic people who wander with their flocks and herds in search of pasture. There are, however, considerable areas of tropical rainforest in parts of Central Africa and Southeast Asia, which produce huge amounts of the timber and tropical forest products such as rubber and tropical fruits. In other countries, good farm crops are produced in the valleys of the great rivers, the Nile, Tigris, Euphrates and Indus and in other places of irrigation. So this is all for your today lesson. In the online session, I will teach you how to read these maps. So don't forget to attend the online session. Thank you so much.